Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. A primary school haunting. Full story. A little girl, let's call her Sam, was in grade 4, attending Spanish Town Primary School when she heard about a little girl who passed away before she could advance to grade 6. It is said that if you are familiar with Spanish Town Primary School, you know that Jonathan Grant High School and the infant school is a graveyard. One Friday, Sam's class had PE. The girls were changing in the girls' bathroom when one of her classmates called the deceased girl's name. Right after the name was called, they heard screaming. It was weird to them and scary, because they were the only ones in the bathroom at the time and none of them was screaming. After that, the students realized that anytime anybody called the deceased girl's name, something bad happened. 2 years later, Sam was in grade 6. Some girls told her that they saw a little DUPPY girl into the bathroom crying and our uniform dirty. Every time Sam heard the other children talking about the crying DUPPY girl, she always feel like a lie to Martell. Until one day, when Sam went to use the bathroom herself. As she was using it, she started to hear someone crying non-stop. She realized something was wrong when the crying just went on, and the person didn't even stop to take a breath. She hurried up and fly out of the bathroom. That's when she remembered the stories of the DUPPY little girl that everybody was talking about. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.